am Anuja and I welcome you to this beautiful show, and the name is Love with Astrology. Friends, when it is about expressing your love, we find many ways for that. But when you face challenges in the same love, when you have to face problems, then you're left with only one option, and that option is of love with astrology. Yes, like always, we will be guided by and supported by the famous love analyst and renowned love astrologer Acharya Satish ji. So let us all welcome him. Greetings, Acharya ji.
Greetings, Anuja.
I heartily welcome you to Love with Astrology.
Thank you so much.
Friends, today we have Acharya Satish ji with us in the studio. So if you have any question that is bothering you, if there is any doubt, then just pick up the phone and call upon the numbers that is flashing on the TV screen so that you get to speak to Acharya ji at once. Acharya ji, I wanted to know,
Yes.
we have seen this many a times,
Yes.
and it is pretty normal nowadays about extramarital affair. A person who used to love someone so dearly and all of a sudden his emotions change and he moves towards someone else. He begins to attract towards someone else. How will astrology explain this?
Anuja, this discussion is pretty sympathetic.
Yes.
There is a system of differentiating the emotions in astrology because we consider it as the basic of relationships.
Yes.
When we are in a healthy relationship, where we get everything and we get along really well, suddenly there is a turn or a turning point where someone else enters in our life, someone else comes into our lives, and then it becomes his primary concern. And then it appears to him as the biggest point. In a way, he gets completely cut off.
Correct.
There are two very important things here. Where one could find out after a certain point of time that there would be a certain amount of depression in one's astral chart, which would lead in change of his emotions for each other. It will happen in case you don't find a solution to this. Then these would be the consequences. This is the first point. Secondly, look, this is a mental system. It is such a concept that would help you to get a lot of things. You are in a very serious situation. You are not finding a way out. And then someone comes to you as a friend. He then holds your hand and tries to give you a lot and thereby guiding you to lead your life. As I always say, if there is no desire in a devotee, then the devotee would have become God. And if there wasn't lust in love, then love would have become God. So the reality is that if we don't have much hope attached to it, if we do not exploit it a lot and look at it with a positive attitude, then it is an ideal concept. To be helpful to each other and reach the level of excellence is the reality that perhaps it could become the reason for living.
Yes.
You could get a lot of things and you are gifted with a new life.
Get a gift
you,
of new
You feel
life.
like decorating yourself. You feel like doing something better. You again you
think of
drive
beginning.
yourself towards the new emotion perhaps which you had forgotten
Yes.
years ago. You reclaim yourself.
Acharya ji,
This is the new way to life, and only stars can make it happen. So it happens when Venus is on its 7th or 8th revolution.
okay. Acharya ji,
Yes.
now we must check if one is going through a turbulent time, so we should
Yes.
speak to a caller for that.
Yes, of course.
Hello? Yes, hello. Hello, welcome to Love with Astrology. What's your name? Well, my name is Sujata. Sujata, where are you calling from? I'm calling from Bihar. Yes, I welcome you to the show. Please speak to Acharya ji.
Hello.
Yes, greetings, Acharya ji.
God bless you, Sujata. How are you?
Yes, I am fine. Now, as I'm speaking to you, I think I will be more happy.
I just need your polite treatment, respect, and such kindness from you. But please maintain your faith on me. God will surely help you through all your problems. Please ask your question.
Well, I want to ask about my husband.
Yes.
My husband's name is Rajesh Kumar.
Yes, tell me his date of
aka
birth.
Munna. He was born on
Mm-hmm.
7th September 1971 at 10:20 p.m.
Okay.
on a Thursday.
Where was he born?
Well, in Gaya. It was Krishna Amavas on that day, Marg Tirth and Krishna Amavas. Well, Acharya ji, I want to know that my husband's business is not going fine since the day I have married him. There has been a dearth of money all the time.
No,
So,
in this, first of all, you should
yes.
understand two things very clearly. First of all, he has some financial issues in his astral chart.
Okay.
I think that there is some obstacle in his work, there is some negativity. There is some negative vibes in it, because of which his efforts are not as fruitful as they should be. And secondly, since a long time, it is a matter of concern that his way of thinking and his style of work, his basic curiosity and his energy has been affected a lot. He has started to think negatively, and he has also lost hopes from his life now because he has been working very hard since a long time now. He is not finding success in it anymore, because of which this is affecting him mentally, and this has been happening since a very long time now, and it is seen in connectivity in future too, because he will have to change the business name. He will have to make a new firm. Only then will his problems be cured. And since this is a dangerous time, because Goddess Lakshmi is upset with him since his time is not good, so he will have to add on something here. So if you make him his business partner, then it would be very beneficial for him. Have you understood that or not? So let's check what all you are expected to do. You have to fast in the evening. You also have to wear a thumb ring on your right hand. It should be worn on your right hand, and your husband should also be able to wear it. Thirdly, you have to make your husband wear a Baramukhi Rudraksh. And moreover, ask your husband to forget to offer Panchamrit.
1 minute,
Yes.
Swamiji.
Yes.
Please tell me the solution a little slowly. Fast in the evening. and what
Listen,
did you say about
Sujata, if I speak slowly, it would take an entire day. The length of our show is too short. You will
Okay,
have to talk to
so-
me separately in that
Okay,
case.
no, it is
Dealing with
tough
one
to
person
talk
for
to
such a
one-
long time is not possible.
What did you say about 3 metals?
Yes, you have to wear a thumb ring of 3 metals. All these solutions will be recorded and then sent to you. You can call and then understand it later.
It was
Yes.
the 3 metals.
First of all, tell me, are you satisfied with the solution or not?
Yes, absolutely.
Fine, then stay happy. Just stay blessed. Please enjoy it completely and it will benefit you a lot. Thank you.
Sujata, you can be in touch with Satish ji after the show too. Because just like you, there are many callers who want to share their problems with him. They want to discuss it with him. So I hope you will understand it. You can be in touch and you can speak to him after the show in details. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yes, okay. Friends, if you have any question in your mind that is affecting your love life, it is destroying your relationship, then pick up the phone and call on the number that is flashing on your TV screen. Acharya ji, you always guide everyone. You give them a
Yes.
guidance. We met one such viewer actually.
Yes.
He was extremely relieved after meeting you, and
Yes.
he was lost somewhere, but
Yes.
everything cleared after that. So,
Yes.
if you permit, shall we listen to his experience?
Yes, certainly.
I want to have a love marriage. I was extremely disturbed. My family was not in my support. I was confused about what needs to be done. Then my friend told me that there is a show in Care World TV called Love with Astrology. So I called Acharya Satish ji from that show. He then gave me some solutions. I followed his instructions. I followed and I performed them too. And a miracle happened in my life. And now both my families, they have given their consent for the marriage. Now it's been 2 months for our marriage. We both are very happy and our families are happy too. Thank you, Acharya ji.
Wonderful. Nice to know that, Acharya ji. Would you like to tell me about this case? Was it complicated?
This
or-
was a very happy event. He went through everything, but nothing worked for him. So astrology can fix such complexities too.
Absolutely,
Because on the basis of astrology, you can understand and you can also know it, and then you can plan everything.
Friends, if there is a confusion in your mind and that is causing troubles in your love life and destroying your relationships, then don't make any delay. Pick up the phone and call on the numbers that is flashing on your TV screen. Acharya ji, you have always guided everyone. You've given
Yes.
them advice. I wish that your guidance and astrology do benefit to many
Yes.
people. And if you permit, we'll listen to our next caller.
Absolutely, welcome.
Hello? Yes, ma'am. Welcome to Love with Astrology. Your name? Swati Mittal. Swati, where are you calling from? From Delhi, Sharjah. Okay, please talk to Acharya ji.
Hello.
Hello, Acharya ji. Greetings.
Greetings, Swati. How are you?
I'm fine. I called you up to inquire about my husband.
Yes, fine. I welcome you.
I was married on 4th February 2014.
Okay.
And after that, my husband has taken a lot of loans. He drinks a lot now.
Please give me his date of birth.
My husband's date of birth is 21st November 1983. He was born at 2:35 a.m. His name is Umesh Mittal.
Where was he born?
In Delhi.
In Delhi. Okay, so there is Rahu and Shani in his astral chart. In such a case, after the marriage, this problem will continue till 14 years. It will continue. I would like to add up, and if I talk about something important, then his family's culture, where a person in his family would go in the wrong direction by some way or the other. Either his work will be affected, or else his actions will cause him some problem
Yes.
or the other. Yes, thanks a lot. So the arrangement of the planets are not much to his favor. Therefore, you will have to appear technical for that, because you are one such member in the family who can repair all these problems for sure. He is fortunate that he married you, because of which some things are still manageable. Otherwise, the situations would have become even worse than this. So you will have to do some solutions regularly and continuously. And moreover, you will have to continue it for a longer time. You should donate some honey and ghee in the temple, and donate some grains more often as per your capacity. And moreover, you must serve or donate something to the beggars, orphans, through your husband as per your capacity on full moon or new moon day. Do observe the fast of Ekadashi, do sweep the floor, and you should both wear a thumb ring, and also make your husband wear a 21-faced Rudraksh. After doing all of this, you will surely get an opportunity to thank me. I'm sure of that.
Fine, thank you. Thank you, Swati. Thank you so much for calling. Thank you. Thank you. Friends, if you have any question in your mind and you want to discuss with Acharya ji, please do not be worried, because now you have the chance to contact Acharya ji. You can reach him out, that too very easily. You just need to call on the number that is flashing on your TV screen. Acharya ji,
Yes.
there are many viewers who are impatient and want to talk to you. They
Yes.
are trying to reach
Yes.
to you. But due to some reason their call doesn't get through,
Yes.
they cannot connect
Yes.
to you. So they leave a mail for you with a lot of hope.
Okay, I
They
welcome
share
it.
their problems with
Yes,
you.
of course.
Greetings, Acharya ji.
Yes.
My name is Smriti. My date of birth is 27th October 1985. And my birthplace is Janakpuri, Delhi. I am not married yet, but I do have a boyfriend. I always fight with him. He always threatens to leave me. Please advise me so that our relationship can be safe and remain intact.
Swati, there is a Shani in your astral charts, and Mangal has cast an evil eye upon you. In such situations, it is normal to have fights or arguments, but you should stay relaxed. He will stay with you and you will be married to him. However, it will take some time for you to marry him, because there is a hereditary problem. It's been happening with your grandmom, mom, and you, and it has been going on since generations now. You will have to do something in order to repair this. You will have to donate clothes to your female relatives who are in the age of your mom. For these relatives, you will have to donate some clothes. And moreover, you have to donate pudding in the temple. Try to distribute it to the maximum number of people. And moreover, you will have to move pumpkin over your body and donate it to the flowing water. And moreover, yes, you will have to consume honey. This will increase the strength of your Mangal. Your Shani will be fine, and you need to wear a Gauri Shankar Rudraksh on your neck. Very soon you will be married, and after getting married, you will be happy.
Absolutely, friends. If you too want to share your problems with Acharya ji, then drop us an email with complete information about you. The details are already flashing, so that at least your issue gets conveyed to Acharya ji. Acharya
Yes.
ji, if you permit, we'll speak to the next
Absolutely. Welcome.
caller. Hello. Hello. Welcome to Love with Astrology. Your name? Ma'am, my name is Rajni. Rajni, where are you calling from? I am calling from Kakadev. Okay. Please speak to Acharya ji. Yes.
Hello.
Hello. I bow down to your feet, Acharya ji.
Oh, fine. God bless you. How are you?
I'm fine, Acharya ji. How?
I'm absolutely fine, and I want you to stay healthy and blessed forever.
Thank you so much,
Yes.
Acharya ji. I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Yes.
I had a love problem. My marriage wasn't happening with my boyfriend. And
Yes.
today, with your blessing, we are married now. Now our married life is going pretty well. With your blessing, my husband is loving and caring. Acharya ji, all this is possible because of you, so I would like to thank you a lot.
Thanks to you too, and I bless you always. May God make you more religious. May God keep you a follower of your religion, and moreover, your personal and family life be filled with happiness all the time.
Acharya ji,
Yes.
it would happen if your blessings are with me all the time.
Absolutely.
And we would like to be blessed by you forever.
Absolutely. I'm always with you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Acharya
to
ji.
you
Thank you
too.
so much. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for calling. Thank you. Friends, if you have a question in your mind and in case you would like to make a thank you call and thank Acharya ji for his guidance, then of course you can do so. The first step would be for you to make a call and share your problems with him. Pick up the phone and call on the number that is appearing on your TV screen. Acharya ji, you always try to understand other problems, that itself
Yes.
is a big thing.
Yes.
Many a times we think that neither our parents nor our friends
Yes.
understand us. Our
Yes.
family and relatives don't understand us.
Yes.
But you, being a person, understand and tackle others' problems, considering them as your own and guide them too. So
Yes.
in a way, it's a big thing. And for that, I thank you a lot.
Yes, and I thank you very much.
Friends, if you want to meet Acharya ji, if you want to take advice from him, if you want to personally discuss your problems, then these are the contact details. Our address is 8 by 220 Anand Keshav Apartment, flat number 308, Arya Nagar, Kanpur, 208002, Uttar. Our email address is castroindia2010@gmail.com. Our website www.lovewithastrology.com. You can also like us on Facebook. Broken relationships can be fixed again. Broken hearts can be joined again. But for that, it is important for you to stay connected with us. Just keep watching Love with Astrology. We'll meet you again on the next episode of Love with Astrology. Till then, take care, be happy, and be cheerful. Because we care for you. If you like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can even write your queries in the comment box down below. To get an appointment with Acharya Satish ji, you can even call on this number.